Hello, what is up? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to my assignment presentation for ATSC, that is Advanced Topic in Software Engineering. In this video, I am presenting the model for cinema seating booking application. Visitors have some their seating priorities based upon their previous experience. Like many viewers prefer to book seat in the middle row or in the back row instead of the front view for getting the better viewing experience and their comfort. Also want to avoid gap in between the groups of the people, which can overall increase the capacity, and the system has some VIP and accessible seats as well. The goal is to preserve this seat from being booked by the general user. Let's start the use case diagram for the system. It depends the interaction between the system and the user. Let me show you. This is the diagram for the system. This is the use case diagram. In this diagram, you can see there are four actors. They are admin, users in group, solo user, and the system. And as you can see, the solo user can add single booking. Users in a group also can add booking in group. They can view the seating plan. Admin can switch dark mode, and the normal user also can switch the dark mode. A system can manage the book seats. A system can allocate VIP seats. A system can allocate accessible seat, and a solo user can book this seat. And let's jump into the activity diagram of this system. This is the activity diagram. Like the activity diagram show the dynamic flow of this system. Like this is the activity diagram of this system, right? This is the activity diagram of the system. It shows how the flow of the system goes, like the popularity wise, right? So it checks the available seat in a row so that the people can sit together. This is the second activity diagram for the admin. This is the another second diagram which show the admin functionality and cancellation of the previous booking. So let's have the look on the functionality requirement. These are the functional requirement of the system. It includes the seat booking for 2 to 7 person, avoid from group seating. VIP and accessible seats are managed properly. VIP and accessible seat management. It also includes avoiding a single block gaps, single seat management based on seat priority. It also manages the cancellation of the last booking by the admin, right? So it also manages the broken seat or unavailable seat. The non-functional requirement include booking logic must be executed in under 2 seconds, or the UI must be responsive, can be capable of running in the multiple devices. Let me show you. This is the main design of the application. It was building by using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. I have also used the React Toast for the notification feature. As you can see, the interface includes a clearly marked cinema screen on the top. Like this is the cinema screen, and a grid of seat and is color coded, and these are the grid of seats, and these are color coded. Like here you can see the green for the available seat, and you can see the purple one, and the blue for accessible, and the gray for the broken one. These are the gray and these are the broken seat. As you can see, the red for occupied. If you book the seat, then this is converted into the red. These are the most popular row, and this red one is popular row, and these are the less popular row. Now let's book the seat. Let's say I have to book the seat of 4 people. Now once I click the book seat, once I check the book sheet button, the system will check the priority rows and assign the group of the most suitable block of the seat, right? So it avoids splitting the groups. Like let me click book seat button. Once I click this one, here is the booking is done, and you can see these seats are turned into the red, and you can see these seats are occupied, right? Let us suppose I want to book the seat of 7 people, right? If I click book seat button, then it will search. First of all, it will search in this row. If it doesn't find, then it goes here, like this row, because these are the most popular seat. If I book seat, then it may book these seat on these seat, like E14, E15, E16, like these are booked. Now let's try to book the single seat, right? Like this is the button, we have to click this button and then it will automatically find a corner or end seat and place the person there. Let me show you. If I click this one, then it will sort in this area, because these are again the popular seat, right? These are the popular. It will sort here. It will try to find the seat on the corner, right? If I want to book this seat, then you can see here, this is the perfect place for the single people to book the seat. Now let's try to cancel this booking, right? If I want to cancel this booking, then I have to switch to admin, right? Try to cancel now, it will throw an error because you are not an admin right now. Let me switch to the admin. To switch the admin, I have to click this button. Then now I am an admin, right? You can see here you are an admin. Now if I want to cancel this sheet, then I can now cancel this sheet, right? Let me try this one. Now booking successfully cancelled, and this one is removed. This sheet was removed because this was the last sheet that we have booked, right? In this application we have broken seat. These are the broken seat, these are the VIP seat, these purple are the VIP seat, and these are the accessible seat. I can change the theme of this application. Like if I want dark mode, then I can click this dark mode button, then it will change to the dark mode, right? So it will automatically adjust the color according to the condition of the application. Let's switch to the normal mode. Now let me book more. Now I will show you the feature of override, right? Let me say I want to book the group of 5 people, then these are the VIP seats, these are skip by the normal people because I am here normal people. So let me try this one. So boom, these 5 seats are allocated, and let me cancel previous booking. Oh sorry, I have to switch the admin, right? So let me switch to the admin. Right now I am admin. Let me cancel the previous booking. Now this booking was come to the initial state. Now I am an admin right now. Okay, so if I want to book seat now, then now it will book this seat. These seats are booked because now I am acting as an admin, and it will override the logic. Let me try this one. Boom, this was booked, right? So now let's talk about the algorithm. This is the flowchart for the algorithm. See, in the step number 1 we can get the size of the seat from the input, right? It must be 2 to 7. After that it will get the list of the rows popularity wise. Like from here we can see these are the popular, these are the second most, and these are the last most popular. So it will get the list of the popular rows. So after that it will scan every popular row from top to bottom and try to find the exact amount of seat next to each other. So in the step number 4, for every row it will loop seat equal to the group size obtained from the user, right? So for every block it will check the availability of the every seat. Like if the seat is available, it is not booked yet, then it will check whether it is admin or not. If it is admin, then it will mark the seat as occupied and update the booking history, right, and exit. But if the user is not admin, then it will again check are these seats are broken, accessible or VIP. If the seats are VIP, broken or accessible, then it will check whether the block is last or not. If it is last, then it will exit the function, right? It will alert. But if the block is not last, if the seat is not last, then it will go to the next and loop the function and again check this process, right? This process will continue until the system found the exact number of seat. If exact number of the seat found, then it will mark seat as occupied and update the list of the booking history and notify the user that the seat is booked. Now let's go to the solo booking algorithm. See, this is the step-by-step logic for the solo booking, right? From the figure you can see, if the user click on the book button, like single seat book button, then it will get the rows based on the popularity wise. After that it will scan every row, like it will scan every row and check for the best individual seat allocation. Like first it will try to search in the corner seat and end seat. If it is found, then mark it as occupied and push it to the booking history. But if the corner is not available for booking, then it will go to the every block again. If the seat is available, then it will check if the seat is in between the group of the people If yes, then it will check next, right? But if it's valid, then allocate it to the single user and mark the seat as occupied. And it also update the booking list and it will return the function. Let's come to the conclusion part. This project allow me to apply key software engineering concept in practical way. I gain a deeper insight of understanding how the real world business logic would work. The most valuable part was translating design model like use case diagram, activity diagram helped me a lot for gaining the understanding on this. Different kinds of challenges like avoiding the group separation, single seat allocation, state management issue, like implementing the admin rule. These types of the challenges have helped me to learn more and more in this project. In conclusion, this project developed my problem solving skill and design thinking skill as well, and gave me the confidence in applying the technique to the real world scenarios. Thank you.